Hello, dear friends. Before anything else, I need to tell you something important. More than 10,000 users migrated to this system this year. There are real reasons and benefits behind that move, and you really shouldn't miss out on them. Let me prove to you why you need this dedicated messaging and task management tool for your daily work. You need to migrate to your own business platform. That means setting up a dedicated system built entirely around your own database. This gives you far more control over how your team communicates and manages tasks every single day. Now let's take a closer look at what makes this possible. You get complete ownership, full control, and every feature that a great messenger like Telegram offers. Alongside that, you also get a fantastic task management system, similar to what you would find in Slack or Trello. All of this is built into a single, seriously engineered WordPress plugin. It has proven itself again and again by helping teams get real work done. In fact, 10,000 businesses have already migrated over to this platform. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. This feature adds real value to the site. It's a full messenger with file sharing, voice messages, GIFs, and stickers. Basically, everything you'd need is already built in. You can even connect it to a separate database, not the site's own, but anyone you choose. This gives you high speed and strong security. The data stays there permanently, saved and untouched. You can monitor it, keep it stored safely, and control it completely. Now, take a quick look at what's on screen. You get a complete task management system right inside WordPress. You own everything, and you can create as many boards as you need. On each board, add cards and tasks to keep things organized. Link tasks straight to the messenger so nothing gets missed. Set up recurring tasks for things you repeat often, so you're not rebuilding them each time. Here's what matters. Every month, for each user on Slack or Trello, you're paying a subscription fee. That cost adds up fast. You end up paying a lot for something you barely use. As your team keeps growing, that cost really doesn't make sense. Your actual usage just isn't high enough to justify it. What you really need instead is a custom, fully open source system, one that you set up and manage yourself on your own terms. And here's something about free services that people often miss. Something like Slack doesn't keep your data forever. After 90 days on the free plan, they go ahead and delete it. On top of that, you don't get full control over how your data is stored or handled. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. You lose control over your data and over team communication. Chats, files, task management, everything lives outside your hands. You don't own any of it with these services. Plus, the cost ends up almost 10 times higher. Meanwhile, a complete, powerful WordPress plugin gives you all of that, right here, for a fraction of the price. This plugin is built to a very high engineering standard. You get every single feature together in your own database. It's all beautifully managed in one place. There's a messenger system and a task management system, and together they connect to a separate database. You can actually see that connection reflected right here on screen. It connects to Telegram as well, so your messages stay linked across both systems. And all of this comes for just $160 a year. $160 a year, total. That's the full price. Nothing more gets added on after that. You can install this service yourself and own it 100%. That means managing your team and your tasks with total peace of mind. You'll be able to carry them out properly without relying on anyone else. In this video, I'll show you what this system is, how it works, and how to install it step by step. This installs very easily, so don't worry if you're new to it. Let's go to our browser now and install the Lumo Team Messenger plugin. Once it's installed, we'll take a look at it together. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Let's take a look at what this actually looks like in practice. Here, you see the main view of the Team Messenger. For example, here's a group chat with several members inside it. And over here, you can see all the shared files for that group. You can use it this way for team collaboration, or simply send quick messages to your friends. You can chat quickly and easily, right from here. On the left, the task management section has two menus. One is the Kanban board, and the other is monitoring. In this area, you can create different tasks and move the cards around between stages. You can even add notes directly to each card. Just enter the important info you need, along with notes, comments, and other details. But installing this plugin is really easy to do. Let me go over to that section now. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. I'll click Plugins, then Add Plugin. To get this plugin set up, here's all you need to do. Go to lumowp.com and check out this plugins page. Right here, you can see its features listed out clearly. You'll also find the exact version number and the full changelog. This gives you a clear picture of what the plugin does. And it tells you exactly what's changed with each update, so you're never guessing. Everything you see on this page, you can get easily. And it comes at a very low cost. That's true whether you need it for just one site or for several sites at once. This way, you get the plugin at a very low cost, and it's billed just once a year, so you don't have to think about renewing it again and again. Every single feature is open to you right from the start. That means there's nothing extra you'll need to unlock or worry about later. Pricing stays exactly the same no matter which features you decide to use. What really matters when it comes to cost is how many sites you plan to activate it on. You can grab it straight from the site whenever you're ready. Just head over to lumowp.com and pick it up there. To install it, I go to Add Plugin, then click Choose File. Once I install the file I downloaded here, I go ahead and click the Install button. Okay, the plugin is installed now. Next, I click the Activate button to actually turn it on. Once the plugin is active, an option called Messenger shows up here in the menu. Under Messenger, you'll find a few options to choose from. There's Messenger itself, then Task, Settings, and Monitoring. Now if I click on Messenger, it first asks me for a license before I can go any further, so I'll need to enter that license to continue. I enter my license key. Once it's activated, it asks us to set up the database, since the database matters for how Messenger works. This part matters a lot, so pay attention here. I click Go to Setup, and it asks where I want the database stored. Do I want to use this site's current database, or would I rather point it to an external database instead? If you pick external, you can enter that other database's connection info. That way, the Messenger connects entirely to that external database, instead of the one already running on this site. This one is safe to use for the install. That's because its tables are kept separate from the others. I'll go ahead and click the Install button now. The system gets created for us right away, automatically. You can see Messenger opens up easily, without any delay, and now we're able to message our friends without any trouble at all. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Another thing we can do is head into the Settings section. There are several settings we can adjust in here. For example, the color scheme. We can change these colors ourselves, based on your own company branding. Go ahead and use different colors that match your brand. Then put your team name in, something like lumowp.com. Put your own team name here instead. You can even add a logo if you already have one ready. Now when someone opens the chat, it clearly shows who's on the Messenger team. This makes the whole widget feel like it truly belongs to your business. That setting controls which people are allowed to message each other. For testing purposes, I have a few regular users already set up here. Now, regular users usually don't need this kind of messaging access turned on for them. But let's watch what happens if I go ahead and switch the setting on inside Messenger. If I start typing a name here, let me search for one of my colleagues to try it out. See how it brings up matching people right away? That's the search feature working exactly as expected. I can go ahead and click to message one of them directly from this list. This way, you can easily send messages to your whole team without any hassle. In the Task Manager section, you'll find some pre-made cards already set up for you. But you can go ahead and customize these cards to fit your own needs. You can even build your own dedicated boards completely from scratch. For example, watch this closely. I'll click right here, and I'll create a brand new board for us right now. Now I'll switch over to UI design. Let me change the people on this board so we can work together on it. Once that's set up, I can add a task right here in this spot. And over here, notice how easily I can add another task just as quickly as the first one. I can also leave a note for the whole team right in this same space. That way, everyone stays on the same page, no matter who's checking the board. This way, we can leave a comment, save the file, and turn it into a task right from there. Once the task is created, you can open it up and set a date for it. You can choose a specific date or add a specific time, whichever works best for you. You can also assign the task to someone on your team, so they know it's theirs to handle. And here, you'll notice a few other options as well. These give you even more control over how the task is organized. You can choose colors for its label, so it's easy to spot later at a glance. For example, you can add a design label to it, then simply hit save, and the task is ready to go. Okay, so the first card is saved here now. This reopen button is for a task that has run late and still needs attention. When you click reopen, it works like a nudge. It reminds you to follow up on that project again. You can use this same button on other cards too. Just click it whenever one of them needs a reminder like that. Once you click it, it gets added there for you automatically without any extra steps. Now, over in the Messenger section, there are a few settings worth knowing about as well. For example, up at the top, you can create a group. This makes it easier to keep everyone organized and talking in one place. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. I'll create a design group and add some friends to it. Now we have a group with people already added inside it. You can see all of them listed as members right here. We're also able to view the shared files kept separate from the regular chat messages. If you click on this document, you can see the full list of members. From there, you can make someone an admin or assign them a different role within the group. Overall, this messenger system is genuinely powerful once you dig into it. It comes with a lot of settings for you to explore on your own. But to keep this video from running too long, I'll stop here for now. I'll just stick with this much for now. Also, keep in mind that the Messenger has another feature you can use. You can show this on the front end too. You do that simply by sharing a link with someone. Anyone who has access to that link can log in right there. They don't need to go through the dashboard at all. They can just open that link directly. From there, they can start chatting right away. That lets them connect with their teammates directly without any extra steps. Beyond that, you've got a bunch more settings inside the connections section. We'll take a look at some of those next. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. You can also connect through FTP to transfer your files. The settings are simple, so setup won't take long. Save them for convenience so you don't retype everything each time. You can also enable Messenger. Use it to chat with friends while you keep working. I wish you all the best. Take care. Take a quick look at the screen now.